everyone, welcome to my channel, Secrets of the Squid. I'm She, your squid. Okay, so in this episode, I guess, we're going to have a look at my new holo mould. Ooh, I hear you say, what is that? This is very exciting. So here is a holo mould. Just try and get that in the picture for you. Not great in this light, but you can see it's got like a little prism going on there. It does, can't see it properly in this light, but oh, maybe like that. Desperately trying to show you. No? Okay, anyway, you can see the little indentations on this mould, so it will create like a rainbow effect on a piece of resin. It's completely magical. So I wanted to show you how you actually use it. It's a sort of not live, but a video of it being used, and proof that you need nothing except for resin, clear resin, and that is it. Here we have the mould. It's got that beautiful rainbow effect, which you can see. Here we have the mould and clear resin. That stick is because I've reused it a billion times, so it's old resin, it's not contaminating the new one. It's just clear resin that I've mixed up and poured into the mould. That is it, literally nothing else. I'm going to use a heat gun to try and heat the resin up a bit. This will get rid of any bubbles that rise to the surface. Heat the resin up. The heat actually reduces the bubbles. Some people use a lighter. I just prefer for this to use a heat gun. I apologise of the camera angle. I didn't realise that you need to turn it around to get a full screen. I'll know for next time. I'm now demoulding the resin piece. It's all nice and dry, and here it is. As you can see, the mould still has that beautiful holographic effect on it. And look, the heart has it too. How pretty is that? Just see it shining away and shimmering in the light. Can you see that? Just sparkling there, you can see it. So it's transferred from the mould onto the resin. Amazing. Okay, so as you saw, that was the finished piece. Here's the mould. It's still, again, this light. You can't see the holo, but it's there, I promise. And then this is the piece that came from it. Now I can see the holo through the back of this, but I don't think you can. Again, I'm going to try and zoom in. No, again, it needs to be pretty bright natural light. Or maybe I should get a torch. Hold on. Right, I'm back. I just had to pull the house apart looking for a torch, but I found one. Yeah, it's on. Okay, so let's have a look. So there it is. You still can't see it great in this light, but if I shine it through, pretending like it'd be the sun, look at that. The rainbows that are coming. Ooh. Just about see that there. I can see it in real life, but it's just not showing up great on the there we go, found a way. Look at those rainbows, found a way. You can see it in real life, it's just not showing up great on my camera, which is a shame, but then I suppose the ring light is supposed to make it a soft light and not a harsh light, so that's why. Yeah, so when you hang these up in the window, they do actually cast these like little rainbow prisms all around the room, and it's so pretty. I really like it. I've got two moulds that I'm going to be releasing in my shop. I have a supply store called Indigo Creek that I've just started, and these moulds are going to be available from there. So this one, as you can see, I've kind of tried to make it look like sea glass. So I've sanded around the edges and given a sort of like a sea glass effect and kept it quite thin. And that makes perfect little window sun catchers and look really beautiful. The second one that I have is a bigger mould, bigger as in thicker. So this one, oh, you can see I just realised there's a rainbow thing behind me as well, so you probably won't be able to see the prisms as much. So this one's a bit thicker, as you can see, and it's shiny on the edges, and you can put more stuff. I've literally must have made a piece that's filled with amethyst, and that makes it like the sun shines through it, releases all the good vibes from the crystals, and this thicker mould is perfect for that, so you can fill the mould full of crystals. Yeah, so they're going to be released at some point, but keep an eye out on Indigo Creek, and it will be made on a made to order basis. I'm really excited about these, and I really want to see what everyone creates from them. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.